Hey everybody, Mr. Shepherd here. Just going over what you're doing for week 4 of distance learning. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. A lot of you have been getting your grades up, so continue to do so. So if you guys look at my screen here, the first thing you're going to see is a slideshow. This is going to be the first thing you look at on this week's learning. When the slideshow comes up, it should look just like this, okay? The title of this week's learning is A Tide Turns because we are going to be reading about the tide turning in World War II, where the Allies actually start to beat up the Germans, beat up the Japanese, and turn the war around and end the war. So you're going to read that background information in this slideshow. It should take you like no more than 10 minutes. And then after you're done reading this whole slideshow about the ending of World War II, you are going to do your by the numbers data collection assignment. What you are going to do is pick a battle from World War II, and you are going to make a data collection sheet on it. Okay, so once you click on that data collection sheet or form, this should pop up. You hit make a copy. Once you make a copy, you should have your own sheet. Now you start filling this out with all the white boxes. This data collection form describes aspects of your battle in World War II. So let's say I won the Battle of Britain. I put Battle of Britain here, and I put when it was, where it was, a map of it. I'd insert a link of it here. I'd find a map online and put that there. I'd put the location of it. I'd put who died, who were the main casualties, and who weren't the main casualties. Then I'm going to record 5 statistics that I find about this battle. So that could be just through a Google search. You put the fact that you find, you put any number that goes with it, and then you put the link to the source on where you find that information. Okay, so link that to me. Then you are going to find 2 images. Make sure you tell me, put the link again for where you find the 2 images representing the battle that you selected from step 1. Okay, now step 2, guys, all this is going to be done on your own research. Okay, this is your own Google. You can use any of the academic search engines that I've posted in your resources tab, or you can do a Google search. So whatever you prefer. The last thing you're going to do is make a visual representation of that data collection form by clicking on this. This will have a bunch of different templates for you. You could look at templates 1, templates 2, and other examples, but basically it's just a way for you guys to check out in a way that you could make a visual copy of your data collection form. So once this loads, we could get it going. There we go. So here's one example. You guys might want to put one part of the data collection here, another thing you learn about here, maybe one of the facts that you want to talk about in the information that you collected here. You could put one of the maps you found. You could put one of the images you saw, maybe one of the facts you thought were cool. There's a bunch of information there. So go ahead, guys, make sure you check it out, and then you're going to make some sort of visual with it. This is just one example. If you go back to the sheet, you'll see many more examples as well. So if I click on this one's a whole slideshow of examples. So here's one about the Allies. Here's one's about victory in Europe. Here's one's about the Battle of Britain. Okay, you're just making something similar to one of these to represent your data collection form. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, just like before, email me. Have a wonderful week. I miss you guys, and hopefully we see each other soon. End of July. Adios.